I'm in the workshop and I'm ready to get started on our European laundry. Building my own home as a chippy has been a dream come true. I just look back on all the houses I worked on for other people doing my time as an apprentice and then moving into being a chippy. And it's just amazing to finally be putting something permanent in the world that's actually for me and my family to live in. The inspiration for our European laundry came from a space-saving aspect. Imo and I are both really practical people and we wanted to save floor space within our house. So tucking away the European laundry within our hallway was such a great space-saving idea. Throughout our house, we've used Tassie oak basically everywhere. It's one of my favourite materials to work with. As everyone who follows us knows, I love timber and it's something that I can't wait to use in every single space of our house. So the laundry was basically no exception when it came to this. No matter what the project is, I always seem to be wearing my Blundstone boots. They get me through the furniture making, working on our house as a chippy, even just simple things like mowing the lawn outside, I'll chuck my boots on just because I know I've got that protection. I've finished the laundry and it's time to hand over to Imo to style this up.